Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to boost FPS on Minecraft. Firstly, lowering the resolution will reduce the number of pixels rendered, lightening the load on your GPU. Secondly, reduce render distance. In video settings, move the render distance slider to a medium or lower setting. Now, turn off VSync. Disabling VSync can free up FPS if your monitor supports G-Sync or FreeSync. Enable it in your GPU settings for smoother gameplay with fewer FPS dips. And finally, enable full screen mode. Playing in full screen can help reduce the impact of background processes on your FPS. This setting often frees up resources and provides a slight performance boost. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.